Welcome to this tutorial. How to restore factory settings in Microsoft Word. If the Microsoft Word app is opened, then close it first. Open File Explorer and click on the Organize. Click on the Layout and then click on the menu bar from the menu list. Click on the Tools in the menu bar and then click on the Folder options. Click on the View tab. Click on the radio button of the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives option. Click on the Apply button and then click on the OK button. Now click the C drive and then double-click on the Users folder to open it. Click on the Username folder. Like here, I'm clicking on this Capture folder as this is the user of this system. Open the App Data folder and then open the Roaming folder. Double-click on the Microsoft folder, then open the Templates folder. Rename the normal.m file and remove its extension. Click on the Yes button in the confirmation window. Click again on the Tools menu, and then click on the Folder options. Click on the View tab, and now select the radio button of Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders, or Drives. Click on the Apply button and then click on the OK button. Close the File Explorer window. Open the Registry Editor window by typing regedit in the search bar of the Windows at the bottom left. Click on the HKey_current_user, then click on the Software. Scroll down and click on the Microsoft folder. Scroll down again and click on the Office folder. Now click on the Word folder name to select it. Press the Delete button on your keyboard and click on the Yes button in the confirmation box. Close the Registry Editor window. Now open your Microsoft Word app, and this time it will open with the factory settings. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.